Watch TV.
What up, guys? It's your boy James Reese, Mr. Commissioner of 5-Star Sports. I'm here representing Watch TV today. We're out here at Mud Creek Park at our 6th annual Brawl for It All flag football tournament. And this year we've added our high school girls division. With me now we have Coach Smooth from the Tropical Storm, and we have Sarah, the quarterback of Tropical Storm. So Sarah, how long have you been playing?
I've been playing for 2 years.
And how do you like playing?
Honestly, I just fell in love with the game. Honestly, I really love playing with all my teammates. I'm a really big sportsmanship person and people, so it was so nice to play with my other friends and teammates because it's all my family.
All right, thank you. And Coach Smooth, how long have you been coaching high school girls flag?
This is only my second year coaching high school, and I love it. The ladies are amazing.
So you also coach men and women. What's the difference between the high school and the adults?
The high school ladies are much more energetic. They like a sponge. They want to learn everything. They don't want to play one position. They want to play everything. So I love working with these young ladies. They are so full of energy. Hell, they give me energy. So it's great.
Okay. And so you guys did win our Christmas Cash tournament. Are you looking forward to winning this one again?
Most definitely, yes.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys for coming. We appreciate you. And again, High School Girls is on the move, and we're so proud to be able here to support you. What up, guys? It's James Reese here, your commissioner with 5-Star Sports, representing Watch TV. We're out here at Mud Creek Park at the 6th annual Brawl for It All tournament. With me today, we have the high school team called the Georgia Elite Stallions. Can you introduce yourself for us, Coach?
Yes, sir. My name is Coach Mallory.
And you?
I'm Katie Smith.
And you play?
I'm a quarterback.
And you are?
Chloe Davis.
And you play?
Quarterback.
Okay, thank you for joining us today. So we have you. This is our first year adding high school girls to the actual tournament, and we thought it was important with the movement now with high school girls. We've actually been doing high school girls since 2013, but now it's exploded. What made you see the need to step in?
We're the same as you. We had a high school girls team before it was even a sport in the inside of the state.
Mm-hmm.
Our girls was actually the first girls group to go into the new Falcon Stadium, so we had a good time. My need for it, our league, we run a co-ed league, and as the league progressed and became more popular, we started seeing more girls. Not only did we start seeing more, young women playing, we started seeing more young women outshine the boys a lot. So that got myself and Tyron Williams, our president's minds running. We was like, hey, why don't we just start a girls team? And we started back in about 2016, 2017, and we've been doing it ever since.
Okay. So what got you interested in playing flag football?
I used to just throw around with my brothers, and I was better than them, so I figured I just needed to get on the field too. And yeah, I've just been a GOAT since.
Oh, awesome. Nice, that confidence. So how long have you been playing?
This is since September.
So you're still you haven't even completed one full year.
No.
So how many tournaments have you guys participated in so far, Coach?
But this year we participated in the Atlanta Regional. We actually had Worlds in Disney back in February where, Georgia team did win some World Championship rings, so I'm very, very proud of that. We participated in the Tennessee tournament this year. Fell short in the playoffs, but, those are the breaks, so, yeah.
Okay. Well, we appreciate you guys coming out, and we look forward to seeing you in our future tournaments as well, and thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Go! Go! And hit the rusher. Ball! Back up, Raven. Keep going! Hey, watch the corner route. Go, Nemo. Short. Good job. Hey, same. Get that, Nemo. Go, chase. Get there. Pull. Right. Watch the short pass. Watch come down, Rainbow.
throw, yeah. So when she throws, she has to come back and do this. That takes time.
Just when you get a chance.
So just force her. Force her to her level.
Where she was at? Send me the link next time.
Good block.
Hey, two. That's all right, Sarah. Don't make your decision fast. That's all right. Hey, hold up, Gary, y'all go wider. Here we go. Come on, we got to make that. Let's go, reload.
Go get her.
Hey, wait about time.
here. 10. Go down. Come on down with it, Nemo, right there. Oh, yeah, Nemo. Turn it up. Now, up there, Nemo.
Touchdown. Flew her in, but she bust down. Like a horse on the go, not a bust down. They know what it is when we come through. Got the kids doing kung fu. I'm the one that you come to.
Right there, Nemo. Move your feet. Oh, that was it. That was it. Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Second down. 15. Offense, come back. Y'all are here. Right there, we good. 10. Hey, watch that post. Get that. Go down. Hey, Dave, you got to make that, baby. Keep going. Yes, sir. Hey, walk down. We had 2 sacks back to back. Come here.
Hey, take that out. Take it out.
Your finger. Come here. Relax, man. Come on.
Thanks, I get. It's the thanks I get.
Good job. Yeah, good game, lady. Good job, y'all. Great defense. Good job.
All right, bring it right here. Bring it right here.